Hi there, my name's Bonnie and my little creative biz is called Bondi Blue. I just wanted to talk you through the resin I use for all of my pieces. It's from Just For You Online UK and it's their Apex range. They've got 4 resins in their range now, so they're pretty much your one-stop shop for any resin art. And I'm just going to give you a little guide through each of them. So first one I'm going to talk about is the Apex High Gloss. This is a seriously good all-rounder. So shiny, like they're not messing around when they say high gloss. This is great for coasters, trays, art, all sorts. It's got minimal bubbles. All of their resins are no odor and non-yellowing. We've got like advanced technology for this, and yeah, this is a great all-rounder. 1-to-1 ratio, cures within 16 to 20 hours, but fully cure within 48 hours. So a great all-rounder, this one. Next one is my favorite that I use the most, and it is the One Coat. I use this one the most because I work full time, mum, etc, and this one is fast curing. It cures touch dry within 2 hours, also 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah, touch dry in 2 hours, fully cured within 24 hours. Also minimal bubbles. It is thicker, so you are going to get more bubbles, but you know, they'll just either pop themselves or just spritz a bit of alcohol in it or use a heat gun. This one is great for ocean art because I can layer up. I can do like 3 layers in a day, easy. And also finish is great for top coating. One of their newbies they've just brought out is the Apex Deep Cast. This is a 2-to-1 ratio by volume, unless you're like me and you weigh, which is a 3-to-1 ratio. So if you're measuring out 100 grams of hardener, it makes 300 grams of resin. This is great for pours up to 30 centimeters tall. Curing time, if the mold you're pouring into is 15 centimeters or more, it's probably 16 to 20 hours. But if it's less than that, it's going to be at least 48 hours. It's less than 15 centimeters, it's going to be about 48 hours to cure. The bubbles literally pop themselves in this. It's like water, like super clear. Also heat resistant. All these are heat resistant. I think that's 90, that's 100, and this is 120 degrees. All with you know, non-scratching. They want to cure to like no marks, no scratching. I've never used a deep cast, but I'm loving this deep cast. And finally, their UV resin. I've never used a UV resin before until this one. If you're into doing the raindrop technique, it's great for this. You don't need to mix this at all. It's ready to go. You can colour it. And I was using it yesterday I had like a chip on a pot where I dropped the lid. And so I just mixed a bit of gold glitter and I literally filled the chip, and now it looks like it was always there. Great for jewellery, doming, bezels, things like that. So yeah, these 4, who needs to go anywhere else when you've got everything you could possibly need? So hope you like my little walkthrough guide of these. Any questions, just get in touch with me or get in touch with the girls from Just For You Online. Head over to the site and take a look.